Tacos?
Yeah, tacos.
Looks like we're making taco shoes.
He's a son of a gun, but his customs are fun. He's Rupsy Banks.
What's going on, guys? Some of you might already know who I am, but most of you don't, so allow me to introduce myself. My name is Rupsy Banks, and I'm an alcoholic. I'm a sneaker customizer. You want to learn how to paint Air Force 1s, huh? Well, I'm going to show you how I do it. So buckle in, because this might take a little bit of time. I mean, this is my first YouTube video, so please don't be too judgmental. I mean, what are you, fucking Spielberg or something? Like Tarantino or some shit? I mean, give me a break. This is ridiculous. The first thing you're going to need when you want to paint a pair of shoes is an idea. And your boy Banks has a foolproof way to get fresh ideas at the drop of a dime. Hey, Bank! What's your most favorite thing in the world?
Tacos.
Tacos?
Yeah, tacos.
Looks like we're making taco shoes. Okay, so if you're like most Americans, then you know the best and most authentic tacos in the world come from Taco Bell. That's right, we making Taco Bell shoes, y'all. So I decided to go with an Air Force 1 because, well, they're easy to work with, they're super popular, and they're just easy to get. And part of the design process is finding the right base shoe, keeping in mind availability, pricing, outsole color, and sometimes even sock liner color. In this case, I wanted an all-white Air Force 1 with purple highlights that represented Taco Bell, and this is what I found. I already have a design idea in mind, but I like to make a digital mock-up just to give me a visual example of what I'm looking to create. There's many ways to do this, but if you want to learn how I do it, hit that subscribe button and I'll make a tutorial on digital mock-ups. So, we've got an idea, we got a shoe, and we got a design. Now, we just need to get to work. And with any custom, the most important part is the prep. I use 400, 800, and 1200 grit sandpaper to scuff up the leather and give the paint something to hold on to. Now I just hit the shoe with acetone to take off the rest of the factory finish and anything the sandpaper might have left over. I like to use the red vinyl tape from Angelus to tape up my outsoles. I'll leave a link in the description below. And now, it's time for paint. Sorry guys, I gotta take a quick reconnaissance mission to Taco Bell. This is strictly for color matching purposes and not because I'm absolutely starving. I'm f***ing hungry. Oh, Don't forget to paint your edges. Here, I just use a green scrubby pad in place of a sponge to give the shoe a little texture. And now, it's time to bring that taco to life. Side note, if you eat hard tacos, I can't trust you. The thing is you're very irresponsible and you don't care about your mouth. You're basically eating little razor blades. That's quite dangerous. Back to the painting. Since purple can be a pain in the ass to paint with the paintbrush, I decided to tape up the shoe and hit the airbrush booth. Isn't she beautiful? Now we'll just add the Taco Bell logo. And the final touch, Liquid Kicks Factory Finish. Well, there you have it, kids. Taco Bell Force 1's. Don't they look delicious?
Well, you pesky little rascals finally got your YouTube video. So you can stay out of my inbox on IG and stop giving me shit. By the way, make sure you follow me on IG at Rupsy Banks. Also, like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you again. Alright, eat more tacos.
He's a son of a gun, but his customs are fun. He's Rupsy Banks.